Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel and a video for all those that are window cleaners, water-fed pole, traditional, anyone that's starting out in water-fed pole. A question that I think is one worth asking and one point that you should always cover yourself for. What you see before you is not my doing, but if you're an example, if you're cleaning a house and a window breaks, what is your contingency? Do you have a contingency plan? Do you have funds saved? Will your insurance cover any breakages? How are you going to talk your way out of it or be truthful and admit your mistake to the homeowner and say, look, I've broken your window? But it's a subject matter that really needs to be brought to the front because not a lot of people think about it. You know, it's all fun going out, being a water-fed pole window cleaner, starting out full of excitement, brand new equipment. But how do you deal with a broken window? There's a question you need to ask yourself, and whether you've started your business from the kind of small roots of a business course, you've written a business plan, or whether you're someone that's failed at your last job and you've got a new job, or you wanted to change your career, something more exciting, something that's flexible and working outdoors. But have you got a business plan that covers your contingency and your next steps for broken glass? It's a very serious matter, something that you can devalue your company via reputation. If someone says that window cleaner broke my window, but you want someone to turn around and say that window cleaner broke my window, but he had it fixed the same day or the next day and covered all costs. So there's a question for you. How would you deal with a broken window? Been to many jobs before when I've gone to quote and I've noticed small stone chips in the glass because it's near a road, or someone lives near a teenager with an air rifle, or you've had someone, an ex-boyfriend, come round with a Black Widow catapult and break your glass. But yeah, there's the question for you. How do I deal with a broken window on a house that I am cleaning? Ask yourself that and cover yourself for it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Click the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published.